My name's Chris Blashneri and I'm an apprenticeship with SGN. Basically it's going out on sites, repairs, connections, relays and project work. I was a windscreen fitter for 20 years and basically I applied for an apprenticeship. Didn't think at my age I'd be able to get an apprenticeship at 42, but the opportunity arose with SGN and took it with both hands really. Basically it's made me really look at where I want to go with my career and my career path. I'm also doing, with this part of the apprenticeship, is doing a maths GCSE because I never sat a maths GCSE at school, so that's something I can be proud of if I pass it. Take the opportunity while you can. There's no sort of age limit now, so go for it. If there's one available, take it.